Good morning everybody. I am Khanak Malik of class 6A. Today I have made it a working model on the topic volcano eruption. So let me show you all my volcano. So this is my volcano and I made it with the help of cardboard and paint colors. So to make it a working model, I have taken baking powder, food color, shampoo and vinegar. So let's start. So to make it the working model, let's add baking powder, food color, which is very important to show the lava color, shampoo, let's pour some shampoo into it, and now vinegar. So now as you can see, something is coming out.